Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start a new mathematics chapter which is triangles. You might have studied this chapter in the 9th classes. It is just an extension of the 9th class chapter. So before moving on to the triangles, let's look the concept of similarity. What are its conditions for a regular polygon? Then we will try to understand it for the triangles. Two polygons are of the same number of sides are similar. There are two polygons any two polygons which have same number of sides. To be similar, what are the conditions? First condition is all the corresponding angles are equal. So the corresponding angles should be equal. Now what are the corresponding angles? This term you might have studied in the 9th class chapter. I will just revise. Second, all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now let's understand it with the help of an example. यहाँ पे ये दो क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स हैं, हमने पॉलीगन क्वाड्रिलेटरल लिया है, आप हेक्सागन ले सकते हैं, कोई भी साइड ले सकते हैं. टू मेक इट सिंपल और सबसे ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट है, हम जो डे टू डे यूज़ में यूज़ करते हैं, इसलिए मैंने पॉलीगन लिया है. ए बी सी डी एंड पी क्यू आर एस आर टू पॉलीगन्स. यहाँ पे देखेंगे ध्यान से, सारी एंगल्स जो हैं वो इक्वल है विद एज कंपेयर टू पी क्यू आर एस. साइड्स देखेंगे, ए बी इसका डबल है, ए डी पी एस का डबल है, सी डी आर एस का डबल है, आर एस डबल है सी डी का. ठीक है, तो रेशियो आप लेंगे तो सेम आएगा. इसीलिए हम कहेंगे कि ए बी सी डी एंड पी क्यू आर एस आर टू सिमिलर पॉलीगन्स. ठीक है, तो ये कंसेप्ट होता है सिमिलैरिटी का. इसी कंसेप्ट को हम ट्राइंगल्स के लिए लेके आएंगे. क्या कंडीशन है ट्राइंगल्स की? टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर इफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल एंड देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन द सेम रेशियो. रेशियो को प्रपोर्शन भी कहते हैं, ये भी ध्यान रखना है. तो कई बार अगर प्रपोर्शन लिखा है तो वो भी सही बात है. नाउ basic proportionality theorem, which is BPT theorem. What this theorem says, the ratio of any two corresponding sides in the two equilateral triangle is always same. If there are two equilateral triangles, then the ratio of any two corresponding sides will be always same. It is one of the same thing. If there are two equilateral triangles, that means the definition of equilateral triangle is all the sides and all the angles are equal. So the ratio of the two sides are also equal, corresponding sides are also equal. What I want to say is that what is meant by the corresponding angle. This thing you have studied in the 9th class mathematics chapter, lines and angles. Just I am repeating it. Suppose there are two parallel lines L and M. Okay, and then angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This is known as corresponding angles. That is meant by the corresponding angles. Now moving on to the first theorem of this chapter. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now let's understand what this theorem means. ABC एक हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल लिया है हमने, DE एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी जो कि BC से पैरेलल है, DE पैरेलल टू BC. ये हमें स्टेटमेंट गिवन है, कंडीशन गिवन है. अगर ऐसा है तो इस थ्योरम से हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल्स टू AE अपॉन EC. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो पैरेलल लाइन है ये इसको सेम रेशो में डिवाइड करती है साइड्स को. ये इस थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट थ्योरम, इफ अ लाइन डिवाइड्स एनी टू साइड्स इन अ ट्राइंगल इन द सेम रेशो देन द लाइन इज पैरेलल टू द थर्ड साइड. Just reverse of the previous theorem. This is the diagram, a triangle ABC, such that the ratios it divides in DE line divides the sides of the AB and EC in the same ratio. AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Then As per the theorem, DE is parallel to BC. This is just opposite of the previous theorem. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. In figure, PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. PS upon SQ is equals to PT upon TR, and angle PST which is angle 1 is equal to angle PRQ which is angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now let's see. Since this PS upon SQ is equals to PT upon TR, therefore the ST is parallel to QR with the help of above theorem. Now since this ST is parallel to QR, therefore angle 1 is equals to angle 3 because of corresponding angles. From equation 1 and 2 we can say that angle 2 is equals to angle 3 because angle 1 is equals to angle 2 which is given in the question. Now angle 2 equals to angle 3, therefore PQ equals to PR because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So therefore PQRS is a isosceles triangle. Next theorem. In two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. This is known as AAA criterion. Now let's take two triangles ABC and PQR. If angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R, then both the triangles are similar. AAA criterion. Next, if in two triangles the sides of one triangle are proportional to the same to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. This is known as SSS criterion. Now let's understand. Again, two triangles ABC and PQR. If each side is equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the triangles are said to be similar, which is by SSS criterion. Next theorem. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the angle of the other triangle, then the sides including this angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar, which is SAS criterion. Again, two triangles ABC and PQR, angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and side AB is equals to PQ. Now here one important thing to be noted this: if we take angle A and angle B and angle P and angle Q, then side will be AB and PQ. You cannot take BC and QR or AC and PR. जो भी एंगल A एंगल B लेंगे तो ये वाली साइड ही AB एंड PQ ही आएगी, right? So this is SAS criterion. Now let's understand it with the help of an example. In figure, PQ parallel RS, then prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. This is the triangle. So here, if PQ is parallel to RS, then angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4, alternate interior angles, and angle 5 is equals to angle 6, which is vertically opposite angles, and therefore the triangles POQ is similar to triangle SOR by AAA criterion. So hope you understand this. We gotten a basic understanding of this chapter triangles. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share the video.